Welcome guys to this video. We will learn how to fix Amazon Prime Video sound problem easy and quick. So what you have to do first, open the settings of your phone, click right now on the apps option and search for Prime Video. Click and here you see this list. Scroll it down and click storage. Click clear cache here and back. Click on force stop, click OK. You should go to Play Store or App Store and update Amazon Prime Video. Restart right now your phone and that's all. So don't forget to like and also subscribe. See you in another tutorial.